And let me use an example of the misinformation that they're coming with. They're running an ad and they're trying to associate the People's National Party with violence and intimidation. Now, Comrade Davis likes to say, Comrade Omar Davis likes to say, everybody is entitled to their opinion, but not everybody is entitled to their own set of facts. What are the facts? The facts are that the People's National Party did not hold a conference with bad man providing security, fall out and shoot them one another. The facts are that the People's National Party did not for 10 months try to protect a self-confessed racketeer and criminal from extradition. The facts are that the People's National Party don't hurt people, we stand up for people.
Every one of us feel it, we experience it, we suffer it. We know that Jamaica, life in Jamaica has been in a crisis, a disaster for the past 4 years under the Jamaica Labour Party government.
Put your X beside the head. Really beside the head. You X beside the head. Election day. Put your X beside the head. Really beside the head.
Our experience in government and governance, local, domestic and international, the other party cannot match us anywhere.